Okay, so Jackson and Shakira have had a litter of puppies. Jackson's a little bit dirty, he needs a bath, but anyhow we're not going to a show this week, so that's all good. He's an Australian champion, of course. Now let's go over to the important part, the puppies.
This is the Batman bitch. She's a black spotted bitch. She's one of the ones we're potentially keeping ourselves. And here's the green tiger bitch. These are named after their collars. This is another black spotted bitch, one we're potentially keeping ourselves. This is one of the liver dogs. He's the heaviest spotted of the two, but yeah, his spotting's quite nice. Here's the lighter spotted liver dog. He's it's lighter spotted, but yeah, it's very happy, healthy dog. Here's a black spotted male with just a small little patch there. They're all really sweet. Here's the double patched black spotted bitch.
It's pretty rare to get one with a patch on both sides. I don't think we've ever bred one like that before.
I don't think I've shown this.
We've had two patches, but on the same side.
This is the liver patched dog. Quite similar to the black one, but his patch is a little bit bigger and his liver. Alright, so the ones we haven't shown. So this is Sesame Street, so he's a black spotted dog.
I'm sure he's black spotted, it's very hard to tell at this age.
So I think it's a liver. We might have shown him already.
Yep.
This one's definitely a black spotted dog. Montana's calling him Wham because of the collar.
Wham bam on the collar.
Here's another black spotted male. This is Ghostbusters. He's quite a cutie. Alright. Yeah, that's a liver dog. The liver bitch is here somewhere. Under mum. Yeah, that's the liver spotted bitch. He's very sweet.
The spots are only just starting to come through. Of course, baby Dalmatians are born completely white, and their spots are just starting to come through.
So that would be all.
That's it. Come here, Jackson. Jackson, come here. Come here. Sally, come here. Here we have it. Mum, Dad, and the puppies.